be showing you how to do this makeup look right here. And I've been feeling a lot of colors lately, like this. It's purple. It's similar to the pink one I did. Hey guys, and we're back at it again with another video. And today I'm gonna be showing you how to do this makeup look right here. And I've been feeling a lot of colors lately, like this. It's purple. It's similar to the pink one I did, but I decided I wanted to wear this really cute shirt. So I got this shirt from Thailand when I went in January, and it says, "Dear Karma, I have a list of people you missed." And on the back, it has the Joker. So I figured, why not do a purple look today? And I have a lot of like makeup looks that I really want to do. I know there's a blue makeup look that I want to do and a green one, so stay tuned for those. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell so you're never late for another video again. So let's get into this makeup look and let's get into this tutorial. I already did my eyebrows off camera and concealed it. So first I'm gonna go in with this Morphe palette, and it's this one right here. It's the colorful one. And then I'm going to get this dark purple here, and then I'm gonna mix it with this color. And then I'm gonna put that on my lids. Okay, now I want to darken it up a little bit, so I'm gonna go back in, but this time I'm just gonna use this color, so the dark purple. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm going to use my concealer brush, which is a Morphe M224 brush, and it looks like this. And then I'm going to cut my crease. And to cut my crease, I'm going to go back in with my Graftobian palette again. The palette is in shade Warm, and I'm going to get this color right here. And then I'm going to cut my crease. Okay, once I'm happy with that, I am going to get my Master Fix Plus and spray the back of my hand. And I'm going to get this Exact Blend E32 Morphe brush, and it looks like this. And I'm going to dip it. So I'm going to go back in with this color right here. And I'm going to put this color on my lids. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with this glitter. I got this glitter, a pack from Amazon. And go in with this glitter adhesive from Anastasia, and I'm gonna put the glue on my lids first, and then I'm gonna apply the glitter. And the brush that I'm gonna use to apply the glitter is my MAC 2 3-9 brush, so it looks like this. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go back in with my M441 brush. So this was the blending brush that I used earlier. And then I'm gonna go back in with the dark purple. And we're just gonna do the outer corner. Like that. Now I'm gonna do a wing. Now I'm gonna go in with Pretty Vulgar eyeliner, and it looks like this. And this is in shade the Ink Blacklist Gel Liner. And then we're gonna give ourselves a wing. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with my lashes. These ones from Amazon. I'm using Duo Lash Glue, and I'm using the black one. Okay, now that I'm done with that and my lashes are glued on, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. I'm going to prime my face with Coverfx Blurring Primer. I'm sorry if the lighting is not great. I wanted to try using natural lighting today, and I'm in my cousin's room because I came to visit some family. And they had a doctor's appointment today, so I figured I might as well film something while they're gone. And then I'm gonna go in with Estée Lauder in shade 3W1, and we're gonna apply my foundation. Okay, now that my foundation is done, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my face with my concealer. And we're gonna use Natural Beige. So this is Too Faced Multi-Sculpt Natural Beige Concealer. Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm gonna go in with my Hula Quickie Contour Stick. It looks like this. And we're going to contour our face. I'm gonna go back in with Hula again. And I'm gonna use California and Dandelion for my blush. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with Airspun. Okay, once I'm done with that, I am going to contour my nose, and I'm gonna use this makeup brush from Amazon as well. And you guys, this Amazon makeup brush set is so bomb, and it's such a good price, so I would definitely recommend them and tell you guys to go check it out. And I want to get this color again and put it under my eye. And then I'm gonna go with this one right here. We're gonna do that towards the middle. And then I'm gonna use the dark purple again. And then that's gonna be towards the end. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with my mascara and okay, so when I'm done with that mascara, I'm gonna do my lips now, and today I'm gonna use Kylie Cosmetics in shade KOKO. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with our Fix Plus by Maybelline again, and there you have it, guys. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Want to say hi? Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Say don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe
To Savvysophiee.
to Savvysophiee.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you guys want me to do different looks or more looks, just let me know in the description box down below. And remember, guys, stay savvy, stay positive, and stay blessed. Until the next video, bye.